Hey everyone, this is Mike from Accounting for Cycling. Today we'll be unboxing and checking out the new Epson CO-FH02, real cool fancy name there, 1080p 3 LCD projector with Android TV built in. So I've already opened up the top of the box, mostly so my PII isn't showing off the top. But other than that, I have not checked in anything else. Well, first off, you can see there's a nice eco packaging here, very protective bubble wrap. A dongle of sorts, looks like for HDMI. The remote, very simple projector remote, including very quick presets for your keystone correction brightness, along with volume too, and then also zooming the screen in and out for different sizes. And a few more basic things for your Android TV control. And this is the wireless Android TV adapter. And you can see it just plugs in through HDMI and micro USB. Alright, here's the micro USB to USB cable. Power cord, it's a pretty standard grounded outlet plug. And spoke too soon, we get a whole special second remote just for Android TV for efficiency. Alright, we've got the quick setup and looks like owner's manual. And now let's pull the projector out. So the projector is pretty lightweight, decent size, probably a little bit bigger than, say, a standard 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. No cover on the projector lens, which is fine, especially if you hang it upside down from a ceiling or have it tucked away, but does keep it. You have to take a couple of extra steps to keep it from getting dusty. You do have the quick adjustment front foot here. On the back side, you just have the power input. And we'll open up the side panel here. And this would be where all the magic happens. And by magic, I mean you have your service USB port, your HDMI in, and your USB out. So with these, and I'm kind of going just off of the pictures I've seen online, rather than opening up the handy quick start guide, because who needs instructions? That's why you watch YouTube videos. So, we take our Epson Smart TV dongle, plug in our micro USB, plug in our HDMI extender, connect the HDMI, connect the USB, and I'd imagine there's a prettier way to mount all this, but just kind of make it fit. And then put your cover back on. And there's a little cutout here too, so if you do have an HDMI device that you are going to be using that is not the Android TV adapter, you can still run the HDMI cable straight through there. And so more on the device itself. So you have your Kensington lock on one side, power button, and your focus on top here, a speaker, vents off of each side, and then on the front you have your lens. So as many of you may know, this is not a sponsored video. I'll have a disclaimer up that you probably saw earlier on, but I did receive this as a member of Best Buy's Tech Insider program. As a member of this invitation-only program, I am provided products for the purpose of writing honest, unbiased reviews. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel to check out other cool videos, and let me know in the comments what you thought below. Thank you so much.